get about 15, 20 raw talent, and we really give them the best opportunity and the best space to really come up and be trained.
Meghalaya aru India asungna achni chadamberangan achni dalbat kepa asset wa achni dalbat kepa strength wa uniga man dalo achni chadamberangko achni namgepa cholangko ni achni chadamberangna achni namgepa skiani rangko namgepa opportunities ko achni nama jaude ya achni dalbat kepa asset ko achni dalbat kepa strength ko ansun kemat ke. Uniga man ya star program ko ngata ni buksungani na min simple ma. Je talent ba changa sapani ko je ansun youth rango dungat. Ya talent ko ansun signang identify kana nanggen. Scientifically ansun identify kana nanggen. Namga pa systematic way ansun identify kana nanggen. Ya buksungani u dalo changa ya star program ko ngatinga. Uniga man ya star program ni choose kanga padit singa scientifically na simang ko study ka imang sawa may dakpa talent tunga may dakpa changa sapani tunga yarang ko singa number 1 singa study ka inga ya ko study ka ni ja mano top 200 talents rang ko dalo singa ba simang yarang na singa dintang mancha 1 year 2 years 3 years na singa coaching ko again aru ya coaching ba ram coaching jawa national level aru international level ni coaching ko cha again mena chni maksunga ni ra ya talent rango ni aching namgappa bisung ko identify ka emang training ko namat no de chang sau de haida ya next olympics jawa 2032 Brisbane Olympics so at least achni Garo Hills ni ba Khasi Hills ni Meghalaya ni sa achni youth ba medal ko makin Meghalaya na ba India na Uniga man iya maksungan yu dalo chiga ya plug plan rangko policy rangko chiga taringa. Sirangan medal ko bakna chum yarang na chiga cash award rangko utna ha. Aru makangchiba utgin. Una agreba dalo achni chadambe rangda. Sirangan dalo medal rangko bakna ngachim. Yarang na chiga monthly scholarship ko chiga bache acho. Da mijao achni notice Olympics so sirangan bronze medal ko bakna chim. Ya bronze medal man gapa achni chadambe rangda. Per month 5,000 rupees ko na chatika. Silver medal mat gapana per month 6,000 ko na chatika jo. Aru gold medal mat gapana per month 7,000 rupees ko na chatika. Uni man dapat scholarship ni true. Na simang ba tandang ni ya changa sapani ko aru tandang ni interest ko na simang ba promote ka na matkin. Ya tangka message na simang lokdang na ba daksak na matkin. Ya tangka message na simang tandang na sports ni bosurang ko bira na matkin. Antara education ko support ka naman gen uni man baka chulang bunga so the alo government of Meghalaya di anggap pa ya bulsibri ata ba bulsi bunga ni gisepo sports policy aro youth policy rang ko thariye chaya dintang process rang ko changa pachi uni man agana nangani rang de baka chim de ba alo somai rang tumcha public meeting of jayate mainly na simang ni talent rang ko nina sa changa riba aro talent hunt kana star program ko changa dakinga uni man nga rute nga lecture ko jawa diba sangsata nga Mr. Ian daru bini team edge 10 group ni club member ko nga matela. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ian and all the others who have made this program possible, especially by John Karshing and obviously our Commissioner Secretary Dr. Vijay, and most importantly the actual people who are working on the ground, which is the team of the sports department, MSOA and Edge 10, which has made this entire talent hunt possible. I know that you have traveled to the remotest corners of the state, having to stay in facilities which are not Australian standards. But your commitment and passion is what has driven you to make sure that you go to all the corners of the state and really I would say, I'm using this word, you would like to serve the people and the youth of our state. That's what the way I see it, is that you are really serving a really big purpose for the children, and this sense of this purpose is what drives you to do this kind of things, and it's really a passion that's there, and I really appreciate that passion that I see in you, and that's why I know that this program will do well, and I'm sure that the talent that we see in the youth, we will be able to really make sure that we convert it into something really unique, and hopefully, as I said, that maybe in Brisbane, which happens to be your home country, when we have the Olympics in 2032, I hope that one of these kids sitting out here, maybe not one, maybe all of them, will be medal winners for us in the Olympics that time. So that's really what our goal is. Every journey starts with one small step. This is one of the steps that we have started for sports and for youth. Much more needs to be done. I was telling them that, the youth is our real power, and youth is our real asset. And unless we are not able to, give them the opportunity and really make them, very productive, then we are failing as a government in our duty to be able to really make them shine and take our state forward. So therefore, this is a very important program for me. And the youth are, as I said, the biggest asset for the state and the country. And it's wonderful to see the kind of talent we have. I wish them all the very best. And I wish the Edge 10 and the entire STAR program. We have called this program STAR, but I don't see the STAR logo anywhere right now. So please do put the STAR logo and things. So this talent hunt is called the STAR Talent Hunt. And the last sangat ki aganas kega. Ya talent hunt ko dalo ungatani magsumani ko na isma sa kanchen siya. Aro ya talent to sa kanchen may ba dungtang man sa may ba unique talent tungkin ani ukcha. Aro dungzo ba doesn't make a difference. We are all talented in our own ways. God has created us in a very unique and special way. Some will be good in sports, some will be good in studies, some will be good in music. You are all unique and you're all stars for me. So never be disappointed or feel down that you're not doing well. The spirit of participation is what is important. The fact that you are active and you've come here to be part of this is important. And I just want to tell you, believe in yourself always, believe in your talent, be confident, be strong. That is what matters the most. So I wish you all the very best, and I wish this program the very best. Thank you very much.